Oh, hello. How are you?
I got the pretty lady with no like no stress. She got her own but she needs some love.
Hello, sisters. It's your favorite sister, Essy Estaa, and today I'm going to show you how I transformed and do my flawless foundation. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and primed my face. So I'm going to go in my NARS foundation in the shade New Caledonia, and I'm just going to distribute that all over my face. As you can see, I don't really like to put it on my forehead because sometimes when I put it on my forehead it's a bit too much. So in order for me to blend it out, I'm just going to use my beauty blender and evenly distribute it around my face, because for me, I feel like the beauty blender gives you more of a flawless look compared to a brush. Now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on top of my cupid's bow. Those are the places that the light hits, so I'm just going to put just a light amount. I don't like to put too much, because if you are going to use this type of concealer, it has very high coverage, so a little goes a long way. Also, when you get to the bridge of your nose, please bear in mind you need a very steady hand so that that line can be very straight and snatched, okay? Now I'm going to go in with the black opal foundation stick in the shade Ebony Brown to just contour my face. Usually my contour line is a bit lower, but this time I wanted to go a bit higher. I don't know why, but usually just follow the structure of your face to see your line and you should be fine. So now I'm just blending that out very quick and easy. And if you wondered why I didn't blend out my highlight first, for me, for example, I like to let my concealer sit for a little bit so that it dries a little bit before I blend it out, because sometimes when your highlighting concealers are very liquidy, they tend to be more messy. So when you place the concealer exactly where you want and then blend it out, I feel like it looks way much better and way much neater when it's time to blend it out. So now I'm using a Real Techniques face brush, and I'm just going to press in my concealer before I use my beauty blender to do the very front of my face. To set my face, I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. On every place that I place my concealer, that is where I'm going to put this setting powder to set it, as well as under my contour lines on my face. To blend that out, I'm going to use a MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep to brush away every of the setting powder. Now, to contour my face, I don't really like to use liquids on my nose because my nose is can get very oily sometimes. So instead of using the liquid foundation to contour my nose, I like to just use a dark contour shade on my nose. So that's why I'm using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. I took that brown shade, the second brown shade at the top, to contour my nose. And again, guys, please take your time with this. You need a very steady hand so that the form of your nose does not look crooked. Even though sometimes mine do come out crooked, but I think I did a good job today. Now I'm just going in with the brush just to blend out my face just a little bit more. And now I'm going in with my blush, using these two shades at the bottom, the middle row of the Juvia's Place palette. For my eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I don't really like the, what's it called, vinyl? I prefer matte. I like everything matte, to be very honest. So now I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara to prep my eyes before I put on my eyelashes. So let me tell you guys something. Beauty supplies, do not sleep on beauty supplies. I'm using the I Envy Luxury Mink in the style KMIN03, KMIN03. It's the best. It's the bomb. Okay? Now I'm using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Pitch to line my lips before I apply my lip gloss. And guys, let me tell you something. This lip pencil, I've been using this for like the past few years. It lasts a very long time. Now I will be using the Cordian by Samantha J Butter Gloss. And y'all need to invest in some black businesses, okay? And now, like I said, don't sleep on beauty supplies because this gloss is the bomb. The Ruby Kisses Delicious Gloss in the Mango Butter and Acai Berry. Amazing. And now to just highlight my nose a bit, I'm also using the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. I honestly don't really like to do my sides anymore, just my nose. And now I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist on my face. To get that very flawless look, please, please, please use your beauty blender to tap in your makeup. It just completes the look. And voila! I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and the big S. You already know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I got the pretty lady with no like no stress.